Calling the Guru from Afar, a prayer to pierce the heart with devotion by Jamgön Kongtrul Lodrö Thayé. Namo Gurav. The practice of calling the Guru from afar is well known to everyone, but the key to invoking blessings is to arouse a devotion that is not mere lip service, but inspired by disenchantment and renunciation. It should be felt in the depths of the heart, the very marrow of one's bones. So, chant this to a beautiful melody, in the certain conviction that there is no Buddha greater than the Guru. Guru, watch over me. Guru, watch over me. Kind root Guru, watch over me. Essence of the Buddhas of the three times, source of the sacred Dharma scripture and realization, Lord of the Sangha's noble assembly. Root Guru, watch over me. Great treasure of compassionate blessings, source of the two types of siddhi, accomplisher of all the activities we might wish for. Root Guru, watch over me. Guru Amitabha, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of Dharmakaya's simplicity. Lead me and others with negative karma who wander through samsara to the pure land of great bliss. Guru Avalokitesvara, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of Sambhogakaya's luminosity. Thoroughly pacify the suffering of the six classes and empty samsara's three realms from their very depths. Guru Pambhava, watch over me. Look upon me from Kamara's lotus light. Swiftly protect us with your compassion, we, the helpless, miserable beings of this dark age. Guru Yeshitsogel, watch over me. Look upon me from the celestial city of great bliss. Deliver us harm-doers from samsara's ocean to the magnificent citadel of liberation. Gurus of the Kama and Terma lineages, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of unified wisdom. Break through the dark dungeon of my deluded mind and cause the sun of realization to dawn. Omniscient Drime Ozer, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of the spontaneous five lights. Help me achieve the full strength of realizing original purity and thereby bring the four visions to completion. Peerless Father Lord Atisa and your heirs, watch over me. Look upon me from Tusita, amidst its 100 deities. Let emptiness suffused with compassion, bodhicitta, be born within my mind. Three supreme siddhas, Marpa, Mila, and Gampopa, watch over me. Look upon me from the Vajra space of great bliss. Help me attain bliss emptiness, the supreme city of Mahamudra, and awaken Dharmakaya in the depths of my heart. Karmapa, mighty Lord of the world, watch over me. Look upon me from the space in which infinite beings are tamed. Help me realize how all things are unreal and illusory, and let mind and appearance arise as the three kayas. Kagyu masters of the 4 major and 8 minor lineages, watch over me. Look upon me from the realm of pure self-appearances. Help me clear away the delusion of the 4 states, and bring experience and realization to perfection. 5 Sakya forefathers, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of samsara and nirvana's inseparability. Help me combine pure view, meditation, and conduct, and thus traverse the supreme secret path. Peerless Shangpa Kagyu masters, watch over me. Look upon me from the realm of pure awakening. Help me train well in means and liberation, and thereby attain the unity of no more learning. Great Siddha Tongtong Jelpo, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of effortless compassion. Help me achieve the discipline of realizing unreality and thereby gain mastery over prana and mind. Padampa Sangh Soul Father, watch over me. Look upon me from the space of supreme action. Let the blessings of the lineage seep into my heart and auspicious connections arise without limit. Machik Labdrun Soul Mother, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of the perfection of wisdom. Help me to annihilate this maddening ego clinging and see the truth of selflessness beyond constructs. Omniscient Dolpo Sangye, watch over me. Look upon me from the space supreme in all aspects. Help me still breathes movement in the central channel and thus attain the immutable Vajrakaya. Venerable Taranatha, watch over me. Look upon me from the space of the 3 emissaries. Help me traverse the secret Vajra path unhindered and thus accomplish the celestial rainbow body. Jamgön Wangpo, watch over me, look upon me from the space of twofold wisdom. Dispel the mental darkness of unknowing, and make the light of supreme knowledge shine. Osal Trilpe Dorje, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of five-colored rainbow light. Help me cleanse all stains of bindu, prana, and mind, and thus awaken as the youthful vase body. Pema Dongak Lingpa, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of unchanging empty bliss. Enable me to fulfill completely all the intentions of the victors and their heirs. Ngawang Yonten Jatso, watch over me. Look upon me from the field of wisdom space unity. Help me to break through the reifying of appearance, and thus bring whatever occurs onto the path. Lodrö Thayé, son of the victors, watch over me. Look upon me from the state of love and compassion. Help me to recognize all beings as my kind parents, and wholeheartedly accomplish the welfare of others. Pema Gargi Wangchuk, watch over me. Look upon me from the space of luminous great bliss. Let the five poisons be liberated as the five wisdoms, so I may break through the duality of riddance and gain. Teni Yungdrung Lingpa, watch over me. Look upon me from the space of samsara and nirvana's equality. Let natural devotion be born within my mind, and realization and liberation occur simultaneously. Kind Root Guru, watch over me. Look upon me from my crown, the abode of great bliss. Help me to see my true face, self-aware Dharmakaya, and thus accomplish Buddhahood in a single lifetime. Alas, I and beings like me, with negative karma and misdeeds, have long wandered in samsara from time immemorial. Our suffering is constant, it knows no end, yet we feel not the slightest disillusion, not even for a moment. Guru, watch over me, swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that renunciation may arise deep within my heart. Though I've obtained the freedoms and riches, I waste my time, perpetually distracted by the trivial concerns of this life. Laziness prevents my pursuit of what is meaningful, liberation. So I must return empty-handed from this island of jewels. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that my human birth may yet prove significant. Death spares no one upon this earth. Beings depart even now, one after another. And though I too must pass very soon, my foolish heart still expects to endure. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may curtail my impossible plans. Friends and family, held so dear, must go their separate ways. My wealth, hoarded so jealously, will be enjoyed by others. Even my cherished body will be cast aside, as my consciousness wanders aimlessly through the bardo. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may realize the futility of it all. Terrifying, pitch-black darkness looms before me, while the ferocious winds of karma lash at my back. Yama's gruesome minions strike and assault me when I'm subjected to the lower realm's unbearable pain. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may escape the abyss of the lower realms. My own faults, though mountainous, I conceal within. Others' flaws, though negligible, I proclaim and condemn. I lack even the slightest qualities, but consider myself great. I call myself a Dharma practitioner, but act only to the contrary. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may quell my selfishness and pride. I keep the ruinous demon of ego clinging hidden within, while all my thoughts cause the kleshas to increase, and whatever I do bears the fruit of non-virtue. Since I've not made the slightest progress on the path to liberation, Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that ego clinging may be severed at its root. The slightest praise or blame delights or depresses me. Harsh words alone detach the armor of my patience. Even seeing the wretched does not stir my compassion. When encountering the needy, I am constrained by greed. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that the Dharma may suffuse my mind. Although samsara is hollow, I take it to be meaningful. For the sake of food and clothing, I forsake the lasting goal. Though I have all that I need, I still crave even more. My mind is beguiled by these unreal, illusory phenomena. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may give up the concerns of this life. I cannot bear the slightest pain, physical or mental, yet my stony heart does not fear the lower realms. Though I can see that cause and effect are unfailing, I neglect the practice of virtue and persist in my misdeeds. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may develop trust in the karmic process. With hatred for my enemies and attachment to my friends, I am lost in the dark, confused as to what to adopt and avoid. When practicing the Dharma, I succumb to dullness and sleep, but when otherwise engaged, my senses are keen and alert. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may conquer the enemy, disturbing emotions. From the outside, I may seem a genuine practitioner, but inside, my mind has not merged with the Dharma. Like a poisonous snake, I hide my afflictions within. Then, when conditions are ripe, my faults are exposed. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may tame my own mind. Since I cannot see my own rotten faults, I adopt a practitioner's guise and flout the Dharma. Disturbing emotions and non-virtue are now so ingrained that positive intentions, though repeatedly kindled, only subside. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may see my own shortcomings. With each day that passes, death comes ever closer. With each day that goes by, mind grows ever wilder. While following the Guru, my devotion has gradually waned. My affection and pure regard for Dharma siblings declined. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may tame this troublesome mind. Though I take refuge, generate bodhicitta, and supplicate, devotion and compassion are not deeply felt from within. Dharma practice and virtuous deeds are merely routine. Going through the motions leaves my character untouched. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that whatever I do may become the Dharma. All suffering is born from seeking happiness for oneself, while Buddhahood, it's taught, springs from wishing others well. I have formed the supreme resolve but retain my selfish aims. Never mind helping others, I somehow cause them harm. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may be able to exchange myself for others. I see the Guru, a Buddha in the flesh, as a mere human being, and constantly forget the kindness of his profound instruction. I am disappointed whenever my expectations are not met, and beset by wrong views and mistrust of activity and conduct. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that my devotion may not diminish but increase. Although my mind is the Buddha, I fail to recognize this. Although my thoughts are Dharmakaya, I do not realize it. Although simplicity is the genuine state, I cannot sustain it. Although natural repose is the way of abiding, I distrust it. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that self-awareness may be liberated within itself. Though death will surely come, I cannot take this to heart. Though Dharma surely helps, I cannot practice it as I should. Though karmic laws are surely real, I do not act accordingly. Though mindfulness is surely needed, I am lost in distraction. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may maintain undistracted mindfulness. Due to past misdeeds, I was born at the Dark Age's end. All my previous actions are now the causes of suffering. Errant companions cast the shadow of their misdeeds. Meaningless chatter draws me away from virtuous acts. Guru, watch over me. Swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me with the strength of heart to practice Dharma. In the beginning, all my thoughts were of the Dharma. In the end, I've achieved samsara and the lower realms. Liberation's crop has been ravaged by the frost of non-virtue. Ill-disciplined brutes like me sabotage our ultimate aims. Guru, watch over me. swiftly look upon me with compassion. Bless me that I may follow the sacred Dharma to the end. Bless me that I may feel weariness from deep within my heart. Bless me that I may curtail plans, as there's no time to waste. Bless me that I may take the imminence of death to heart. Bless me that I may trust the cause and effect of karma. Bless me that no obstacles may arise on my path. Bless me that I may be diligent in practice. Bless me that I may transform adversity into the path. Bless me that I may steadfastly apply the remedies. Bless me that I may develop uncontrived devotion. Bless me that I may see my true face, the natural state. Bless me that self-awareness may awaken in my heart. Bless me that I may cut deluded perception at its root. Bless me that I may attain Buddhahood in this very life. Precious Guru, to you I pray. With longing I call upon you, kindly Lord of Dharma. I have no other hope but you, wretched as I am. Bless me that wisdom and mind may merge as one. Some time ago, several devoted practitioners requested me to compose something along these lines, but I was delayed in doing so. More recently, when Samdrup Dronma, a female practitioner of noble family, and Devaraksita made their entreaties, I, Lodrö Thayé, someone who merely maintains the appearance of a guru in this degenerate age, wrote this at the great practice center of Dzongcho Deshek Dupa. May virtue and goodness spread. Translated by Samye Translations, Laura Swan and Oriane Laveau, revised by Peter Woods, and edited for Lotsoa House by Adam Piercy, 2021, with grateful acknowledgement of all previous translations.